Today we're making these eggless chocolate chip cookies. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need. First, you're going to take your flour and add in your baking soda and baking powder. Then you're going to mix it all together. In another bowl, you're going to take butter and powdered sugar. Then mix this together with a spatula. And once it has combined, you can switch to a whisk and beat it for 2 to 3 minutes. You should have a light and fluffy mixture. And then you're going to add in the vanilla extract and mix it in. Once that is done, you can add in your flour and mix that in using a spatula. Halfway through, you can add in your milk and mix it in. This makes the dough come together even faster. Then you can add in your chocolate chips and mix them in. Your dough should start coming together. And your cookie dough is ready. Now line a baking tray with some baking paper. Then you can take about a tablespoonful of the cookie dough and form a ball and flatten it slightly. And then place it on your baking tray. Repeat with the remaining batter and place the cookies about 1 inch apart. You're going to bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. If you want them to be soft, bake them just for 15 minutes. You can even bake them for 25 minutes if you want them to be crispy. I like to let these cool on a wire rack. And I recommend you try these while they're warm and the chocolate is nice and gooey. The outer layer of this cookie is nice and crisp while the center is deliciously soft and just melts in your mouth. I highly recommend you try these cookies for yourself. And she was accompanying me while I was baking. Bake these cookies and serve them fresh with some steaming hot cups of tea, and trust me, your family and friends will love it, or you can just do it for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with new videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye!